guys, look how awesome these turned out. Nice and subtle black and coffees. Got a really vibrant black, brass, and coffee. And we got our 3D texture, but it's perfectly flat. Welcome back to Leggari, everyone. I'm Tyler. I'm going to be showing you some more techniques using our sample kits. We will be doing a black base on all these so you guys can kind of see the different looks you can get while using the same base. So our sample kits are awesome. They cover a 1 foot by 2 foot board. Perfect way to test our products to see how user-friendly and fun they are to work with and how awesome the product is. Now we're gonna add our black. Try to get it all out. Okay, so now that I'm mixed up good, I'm just gonna pour this out everywhere. And usually if you're doing another accent color, you would split up this epoxy before you added the colors, so you'd have a clear epoxy for your highlights. Looks like we got black and silver, awesome colors. We're gonna do the same technique, but we have to separate some of this clear out since we're doing 2 different colors. So now what we're gonna do, this is a really easy technique, is we're just gonna drizzle this out. Just random ways everywhere. So many people want us to leave it like that. It looks awesome, it's phenomenal. You can leave it like this, you don't have to keep messing with it. Very cool look. But all we're gonna do now is we're just gonna go back and forth different ways. Just random ways, that's all we're doing. So it's gonna look totally different here in about 20 minutes. So now we're gonna move on to the next one. So now we're just gonna do puddles of coffee and we're gonna do the trowel technique. It's a really cool look. So to make sure we do random spots. So now we're gonna take just a plastic Bondo squeegee type deal. You can use putty knives, scrapers, anything. And we're just gonna kinda just slap this stuff around. Like I said, we'll leave that, come back in 20 minutes, it's gonna look phenomenal. You can already see this, the silver one's already kind of leveling it out. The brush lines are going away. The silver's kind of popping more. So now we're gonna just kind of spritz it. Maybe do some heavier spots. We're gonna do that color, and then we're gonna do some coffee. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a single color. So we did base black, we did our highlights black, blended it all in. We kind of let it set up a little, and then we came through and did our dispersing effects with isopropyl alcohol and our metallic powders mixed in, misted the surface. And these are the effects you can get, really cool. And you can do that on any of these. You can even take some spray onto this, add some more character and depth to it. This is more of a subtle kind of highs and lows look, really cool look, really contemporary. This one over here is an awesome look. It's still kind of subtle. The colors don't pop because they're similar. They're both dark colors, but really, really cool looking. And these two will look different in a little bit. We'll show you guys that. And then when you're doing the dispersing effect, if you spray it too soon, it does want to dimple out in some spots. So all you got to do is come back and just tap it in. All right, so we're gonna do a 3D look on this, show you guys how simple that is. Accidentally got a little some brass spray on there, no big deal. So you wanna wait about 30 minutes, let this set up, get sticky. And if you do it and you come back and it kind of dissipated and it kind of leveled out again and didn't have that 3D look, just do it again, because you wanna do it when it's really sticky, and that's gonna bring the metallics to the surface, and they're gonna be suspended there, and it's gonna give it a textured look, but it'll be completely flat. Show you the different looks you can get by using different putty knives or squeegees. So I'm going to use this big flat putty knife here, and I'm going to do the same thing, but it's not going to look as chopped up. See kind of the same look, just little bigger effects. You guys, look how awesome these turned out. Nice and subtle, black and coffees. We got a really vibrant black, brass, and coffee. And we got our 3D texture, but it's perfectly flat. Such a cool technique. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, share the video, help us get the word out. This product is amazing and it's changing the countertop and flooring industry. Also, make sure your notifications are turned on. That way you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on our social media sites too, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We're always posting customer installs there, and you can see what people are doing with our products. It's truly amazing. Our systems are one of a kind every time, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.